Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your LG V50 ThinQ, at the first you have to open Essential folder, then tap on the clock. And we have to be in the alarm in the left corner, and if you want to create the alarm, you have to click right here. At the first we can set up the hours and the minutes. We can set the repeat. For example, for the Friday, we can change the alarm sound and volume by enter here. We can also turn off the voice, the volume and the sound by clicking on the switcher. The same with the vibration. Here we can change the snows. And we can also show the animated weather. So click and just wait a little bit. Okay, let's click one more time. I think this smartphone has a problem with a location. It's turned on, but okay, right now it is working. It's really cool. Here we can add the note, so let's type wake up. And we can also solve puzzle to stop alarm, but I'm going to skip this one. Let's, for example, set this this alarm after 1 minute. So today we get Tuesday, right? Yeah, I'm correct. And it's 40 p.m. Let's change for the hour. Okay, and no. Let's go back. Okay, and 50 minutes. Click save. And now we have to wait a little bit, and we are going to check how it looks. So as you can see, that's how this alarm look on this LG V50 ThinQ, and we can set the snows or just click dismiss to confirm. But I'm wonder what about this function. It doesn't work, right? It didn't show any animation or information about the weather, so actually we set up our alarm correctly, but this feature is not working. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.